Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This is a comparison video between the Beldray 16-inch oscillating white pedestal fan versus this Igenix 30-inch oscillating white tower fan. I believe this is a 2014 model, I'm not sure. I think I found a date code that said 2014 on it. So yeah, here's the front of them. Here's the side view of them. Back view. Informations. The Beldra's model EH3196B150 with 220 to 240 volts, 50 Hz, made in China with the Beldray logo, 45 watts. Okay, the Igenix is model DF0035 with 220 to 240 volts, 50 Hz, made in China with the Igenix logo, also 45 watts. So both of these are 45 watts. Okay, low volt oscillation then. Low, they're about the same. Medium without oscillation then. I think on medium the Igenix is stronger, I'll say. High then. Igenix is higher. On high, I meant to say the Igenix is stronger. Sorry, I messed my words up again. Low with oscillation. Medium with oscillation. High with oscillation. Spin downs then. I'll do the tower fan first. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next video. And yeah, bye for now, guys. And out.